Are you looking for more visibility in your business? I think we're all looking for that. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how I use Pinterest and other business tools to grow my brand awareness. Hi, I'm Vanessa Kynes and I'm a Pinterest marketing strategist for creative small businesses. And I've personally experienced the traffic generating power of Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how I use Pinterest as well as other business tools to utilize to grow my brand visibility. The first thing that I'm going to recommend is having a blog. Now I know what you're thinking, I don't have time for a blog. But my response would be to you, do you have time to post every single day on Instagram? Do you have time to create videos on YouTube? If you have time to do those things, then you have time to create a blog post. And the reason why I'm going to recommend having a blog is for many different reasons. Blogs establish know, like, and trust. That means that if you're blogging about it, you're giving a visitor to your website more context about what you do and what you know. You're going to be generating more confidence in them that you're the right person for the job or the right person to hire. The second thing is blog is great for SEO. As much as I love Pinterest, I'm all about the Google juice. It's super important to be visible and searchable on a search engine. So that's the other thing I love about having a blog. The third thing is a blog allows you to increase cross-pollination between your other platforms. So what I mean by cross-pollination is someone can discover your blog through a search engine through Pinterest, come to your website, read your blog post, and want to follow you more on Instagram. And there on Instagram, they can get to know you. They can watch your stories and really get that personal touch about what your brand represents. But remember, the beginning and origin of that source was through a search engine. It's important to have a blog to lead into the top of that funnel so that you can get to know your customer. The other thing that I recommend is going to conferences. Now, in the last year and a half, I've been to 2 major conferences and I absolutely love it. The purpose of a conference isn't always what you think. It isn't about showing what you know or showing what you can do for somebody. It's getting to know people. It's making those relationships, and it's letting people hear about your personality, how much you care about what they're saying, as well as listening and learning about their problems. You might even walk away from a conference with a business idea if you ask enough people about what their struggle is. Let's say Pinterest. Hint, it's always how to be consistent and how to automate it. Then you can walk away with an idea of the types of blog posts or the types of content you can create to appeal to your ideal client. The other reason why I love conferences is I really love getting to know people and growing my community. Having a small business is difficult. It can feel really lonely, but growing that community of people who believe in you and trust in you and want to cheerlead you on is a really powerful motivator in a small business. My other recommendation for visibility in your business is to collaborate. So maybe you offer to do a guest post. Maybe you show up on someone's Instagram stories. Maybe on YouTube you create a video on someone else's channel. By collaborating with people who have similar audiences, you're getting the know, like, trust that that person has developed with your audience and getting their stamp of approval or their affirmation that you're someone they should be following too. I love how collaborations can grow the community of like-minded people. My other suggestion for getting visibility is to create video. Here I am on YouTube and I absolutely love using YouTube. We know that by 2020, the majority of content that's consumed is going to be video. And I know how difficult it is to set up and make time for it, but I think it's important to at least practice the craft of creating video as much as you can so that you can get comfortable with the idea of using video to grow your brand awareness. Video also shows your personality, allows someone to get to know you quicker. And in my opinion, video allows people to create trust in you as a business owner. My last recommendation is to engage with people in your niche. Email and reach out to people. Encourage others. Be a cheerleader for other people in your community and let them know that you're excited about what they're doing and you're lifting them up. This is a really powerful tool, not just at growing your business, but again, helping you fuel your business. What is your why? Is your why to be on an island by yourself, or is your why to grow your business with like-minded people and support your family? Communicating and engaging with other people's content is a great way to stay fresh in the business and to avoid burnout. So what about you? How have you gotten visibility for your business, and what do you plan to do in 2019? If you're looking to grow your visibility using Pinterest in 2019, you can subscribe to my channel, or you can subscribe to my email and receive my free Pinterest Startup Guide. In my Pinterest Startup Guide, I'm sharing 9 tasks to get you started on Pinterest, and you're going to receive an email from me once a week where I'm going to be sharing about the latest platform updates. Thank you.